Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to change the code on your Texecom Veritas alarm in 2026. So first of all, you need to start at the alarms keypad. So your alarms keypad is going to look something like this. So over here, what you need to do is you need to simply enter your current 4-digit user code, and after adding that, you just have to simply press this particular prog button. So if the code that you have entered is successful, the zone LED should illuminate, indicating that you have entered into the programming menu. Now, once you have done that, you just have to simply press 6 and then you need to simply press 0. And this is the user code programming option on the Veritas alarm system. You will also notice the LEDs change, indicating that the panel is now ready for the new code. So once this is done, you just have to simply carefully start entering your new 4-digit code, and you need to choose something secure but easy for you to remember. Afterwards, once you have entered it, you just have to again press this prog button and the keypad should give you the acceptance tone confirming that the new code has been stored. Now you need to also press this particular reset button in order to return to the normal operation, and your new code is now active and it will be ready to use. So once you are finished doing this, you can just simply test the code. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.